Welcome to the MAC weather page for this Tuesday, September 25th, and you can see this is a graphic on Sunday. I meant to show that yesterday of Storm Team 8. You can see, look at the snowfall that was falling on radar here just north of Lake Superior, and you can see a couple people not too happy about that. And the headlines, we have a chance for some strong to severe storms late this afternoon into this evening. Right now, I think the best bet will be from around 4 p.m. to about 10 o'clock or so, so keep an eye to the sky. Could be some watches or warnings issued on later today, but those thunderstorms will move into the area. As for our climate, normal high is 67, the normal low is 45, and you can see back in 2017, last year, yet another record high. I believe we had 6 or 7 straight days of record high temperatures last year, and that's what gave us the few 90-degree days we had last year compared to quite a few this year, and we'll show you the comparison tomorrow. Yesterday we had a high of 67, we had a low of 51. You can see we picked up 0.04 of an inch of rainfall prior to midnight, and we picked up 1/100 of an inch since midnight. And that gives us a storm total of 0.05 of an inch. So not a lot of rain, but we'll add to that here later on today, and you can see our pretty warm September continues. And if we look at the sunrise this morning, 7:29, sunsets at 7:30 tonight, so just barely over 12 hours. Tomorrow we'll go under 12 hours, and we'll continue to see us losing more and more daylight as each day passes. Current temperatures out there mainly in the mid to upper 60s. We got several locations where either their internet's down or the computer's down. We've had a little bit of problem with these three systems here over the last couple days. We'll try to get those hopefully ironed out today. But again, pretty warm out there. These are our normal highs for this time of year in the mid to upper 60s, so very warm conditions out there. Three things to note on the satellite view this morning. First of all the copious amounts of moisture moving up from the Gulf, and even if the showers and thunderstorms that are developing this morning don't hit you, the dew points and the very moist air there in place will be there. And then for the if we look at the system way off to the northwest, cold air continues to pour down behind this frontal boundary that's going to be forcing this thing to the southeast here over the next 24 to 36 hours, and behind that's going to be quite a bit cooler. And we may have a couple of days coming up over the next 5 days where we may not get out of the 50s for highs. Right now, Friday night football games are going to be iffy. We could see some showers around the area. It'll be chilly and maybe breezy with temperatures at least into the 50s, maybe ending up in the 40s by the end of the game. So definitely bundle up if you head out to Friday night football games this week. As far as the radar, you can see some of the showers and thunderstorms really beginning to develop across eastern Illinois, back into Indiana, and back to the southwest. Again, especially for the southern part of the state has the best chance this morning, but you can see even late rain beginning to develop across much of the mid-Michigan area. And again, but we're going to watch this area here as it presses to the east with all that warm air coming up, and we have a break in this precipitation. If we see any sunshine between 12 and 4 o'clock this afternoon, that'll be your indicator that we could be looking at some severe storms for later on this evening, so we'll keep an eye on that. Again, more sunshine will equal a better chance for severe storms. As far as the weather map this morning, you can see where the Severe Storm Prediction Center has a slight risk of storms across much of southern 2/3 of lower Michigan and the Ohio Valley. And again, this front will continue to press to the southeast, and as it does, it'll sweep those storms and rain off to the east, and we'll have high pressure take over, and we'll see several days of at least some sunshine. But already by Thursday, his high pressure system is over the southern Ohio Valley, and it's going to be moving off to the east. We'll watch this system coming in perhaps for later on Friday night. But right now it looks pretty moisture starved, but certainly it could generate a few showers for Friday night. And if we look at precipitation over the next 7 days, you can see we expect about 1/3 to 2/3 of an inch of rainfall out of this first system that'll be coming through for later today into tomorrow morning. But more precipitation looks like it may be heading into the area by late in the weekend, early next week. You can see a lot of precipitation across much of the area over the next 7 days. That should actually be 7 days and not 72 hours. As far as our forecast goes today, again, humid. If we see sunshine, we'll probably get up around 83 or 84. If we see more clouds, it may hold around 78, 79. So we'll say a high of 80 in some areas. And then as that cold front comes through, we'll see some showers and thunderstorms. We could have breezy conditions for later today, tonight, into tomorrow. And again, tomorrow we'll start out at 56 and may only climb up into the upper 50s to around 60. So a very cold day tomorrow with that wind. and then a little bit better, low to mid 60s on Thursday and Friday with plenty of sunshine. And then again, those showers may move in for Friday night, still iffy right now, and more cold air follows that with highs only in the upper 50s on Saturday, with lows getting down into the upper 30s to the low 40s across much of the area. Thanks for stopping by, and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.